Hey guys, now we are at City Square, Johor Bahru, and today we are here to pick up. Today we are here to pick up our shoe, and now we are at car park. We are heading up to the mall.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we are there.
I'm just Alex.
I'm just on. Okay, today you can see we are at a special place which is not always at home. Now we are outside at City Square Starbucks. So today we are unboxing the Converse shoe.
Converse shoe. Where's your shoe?
Yours eh?
Somebody just passed by and
It's okay.
Okay. This is mine.
Alright, you can see here we have two sneakers, which is Golf Le Fleur, right? Golf Le Fleur. And this time Golf Le Fleur made special release. Normally Golf Le Fleur always release one star, right?
Colorful flower, one star.
Colorful flower. This time they also release a one star, but they have two additional special designs. It is 70s, right?
Yeah, 70s and one star and Chuck.
Yeah.
Oh, both Chuck Taylors.
Yeah, both the Chuck Taylors. Okay, so let's take out the shoes.
Okay, my one is the off-white color one.
Take out both. Alright. Shoelace also. Extra shoelace out there.
Mine have double shoelace.
Okay.
Extra shoelace.
Okay, so you can see here we have both different colorway of the Golf Le Fleur 70s. And this one I don't know what's the material.
What's bow red bow?
Red bow what thing? I don't know, like you can see like this material.
The shoe box.
Got right, mate?
Got one. This one is
No leh. Okay, this quality is different from always canvas, right? This is like we are bringing what?
we call that I know in Chinese called Mao Bao Tai.
Ma bao tai, something like that okay. Then this one.
This one normal canvas, but then it's in off-white color.
Then
and then they have this.
Inside is different.
Inside is different.
This time they make it leather.
But mine is same with you.
Leather?
Yeah, same leather with you. But not, I mean like not the same with normal.
Normal inside is all just pure canvas, right?
Normal canvas.
Yeah. So let's go into the details.
For my off-white color details, right, they only have some unique things with this mirror printing. Right, Golf Le Fleur.
Outside, is it
mirror
called?
lah, it's what mirror.
Mirror.
And then another flower.
Same goes to this one. It's the same.
Yeah.
The same, right? Same. So you can see their specialty is their outsole.
Yeah, mine is blue.
Brown. Mine is brown, dark brown, white. Okay. Actually, this pair is nothing much. I feel that the designer is out of idea.
Maybe lah. Maybe
That's
they just like this kind of material, then they just come out with this.
But this is the
idea.
first time they put in the 70s. But even though it's 70s, but they didn't take any effort on it.
But this is the first time I saw this kind of material on the shoe.
Yeah. But I think the colorway of this material is a bit disappointing. Since you're using a special material, like you should put on more effort on the color. I think lah.
Maybe they just want to look minimalist.
But the price doesn't sound. The retail price of this is $499, and this one is 479 ringgit. Alright, and about the resale price,
Disappointing resale price.
50 ringgit, 100 ringgit above retail.
You don't get any like higher resale for this shoe.
Yeah.
Because
you buy
maybe in Malaysia, I think Malaysia not so hype about.
I think even in overseas, it's easy to sold out in retail store, but you don't see much on resale. This, right?
I mean, like if people who like this kind of shoe, they will like it lah. But if they don't like,
Yeah, but even though you can see
it doesn't worth the price.
The extra shoelaces, the color is disappointing as well.
I don't I'm not so understand for the colorway, but yeah, as you can see, they have this off-white shoelace,
Which is same as the shoe.
yeah, and the blue shoelace. This one is the baby blue.
Baby blue, yeah.
Yeah, baby blue. But the colorway or the color palette for the shoe, right? I don't really understand why, but you know, Taylor the creators always do the fancy
Maybe
color.
one thing is that they are releasing the new colorway on one star too fast.
Yeah,
It's like once per month, right?
maybe like previous collection, right? They have a lot of colors already. So maybe now
Too much.
Yeah,
Too much.
now they are like going for minimalist a bit,
Yeah,
but a new kind of material.
Yeah. Just that we can hope that coming next release on 70s can be more effort.
How about the sizing?
Sizing, as well as our previous video,
Yeah.
following the Chuck Taylor's sizing, you can follow the CM size.
CM size of
Yeah,
the shoe.
same as the Off-White Converse, same as the branded.
Nike is the same also.
Yeah. Okay, so
We do have some reference outfit for
yeah.
this kind of shoe.
Yeah.
So something like like this.
Yeah, and like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, you look good with your. We have for women's and for guys one.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, so you can
Make a reference on it.
make a reference on it. We're not really clever on it, but it's something like this.
Something sample.
Yeah.
Which
So
is
if you have any more idea like for what kind of outfit can suit this kind of shoe, right? You can hashtag us about like Jet's outfit.
Just outfit. JADS outfit.
Yeah, outfit.
Okay.
Then we will know what you can roll with.
Maybe we will feature you in our next video.
Maybe we hope to do some interview with the viewers.
Yeah. You can contact us and we can make an interview with you. Right?
Yeah.
Anything
I think-
special, right?
Yeah. So I think this is all of our
Video?
videos today.
Yeah.
So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel
Yeah, if you
And if
ever
you like our
like the
video,
video, please like,
and
please share to your friends. Right?
Yeah. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace.